Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove two 10mm bolts at the bottom of the front bumper. Remove 9 plastic clips. Remove the plastic clip located behind the bumper light. Remove 3 more plastic clips securing the fender liner to the bumper. Pull the fender liner aside and disconnect the turn signal light socket. Remove the bumper light and disconnect the bumper light harness. Now remove the plastic clip you see here. Remove 5 10mm bolts at the top of the bumper. Remove 2 plastic clips. Remove the metal bracket. Now carefully remove the front bumper. Release the mounting tabs, then remove the fog light hole covers. Install 2 spring nuts on the fog light mounting tabs. Then place the fog light in the fog light hole. Secure the fog light to the bumper using 2 Phillips head screws. Install the fog light hole bezels, then press it into position. Remove the side sill interior molding by tugging on it upwards. Now remove the plastic clip securing the kick panel. Remove the kick panel molding. With the key in the ACC position, find an ACC power wire using a voltmeter or a test light. Now splice the red wire on the switch harness to the ACC power wire we just found using a quick connector or wire socket. Find a suitable ground bolt and attach the switch harness ground wire to it. Run the fog light switch harness through the steering opening, then attach the switch to the dash panel. Connect the fog light switch to the switch harness. Remove the battery positive terminal cover. Remove the 10mm nut you see here. Attach the fused red wire from the fog light harness to the positive terminal and secure with a 10mm nut. Replace the battery terminal cover. Remove the 10mm ground bolt you see here. Attach the ground wire to the ground bolt, then reinstall the ground bolt and tighten. Run the white wire on the fog light harness along the factory harness on the firewall. Run the connector end of the white wire through the rubber grommet as you see here towards the driver's side footwell. Run the rest of the fog light harness towards the back of the passenger side headlight, then under the headlight. Route the longer of the two fog light connector sections towards the bottom of the driver's side headlight. In the footwell of the car, connect the fog light harness to the switch harness. Zip tie any excess or loose wiring to the factory harness. Replace the kick panel molding. Replace the side sill molding. Zip tie the relay and any loose wiring from the fog light harness to the factory harness. Replace all hardware in reverse order of removal and connect the fog light harness to the fog lights. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road.